Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and enabling Google Assistant. That gives your phone the core voice engine. Grant microphone, location, and contacts so commands work with apps and callers. Once done, set the assistant language and allow lock screen access so you can speak when the device is locked. Make sure battery saver is off and charge above 20% to prevent aggressive background limits. Now train the wake phrase briefly by saying "Hey Google" a few times, so voice recognition adapts to your voice. You move into customization to make voice control practical and fast. Open Assistant settings and create routines that chain actions like navigation, messages, and smart home controls with a single phrase. Activate voice access and accessibility for detailed UI navigation. It lets you tap, scroll, and type by voice. Link your preferred music and Maps apps so commands route correctly. Also, teach Assistant your nicknames and common contacts. That reduces misinterpretation and speeds up hands-free tasks when you need them most. You finish by testing core flows. Place a call, send a text, start navigation, and control a smart device. Make sure sensitive tasks require confirmation so payments or private info stay secure. If responses are sluggish, whitelist Assistant from battery optimization and confirm microphone permission. Poor audio is the most common issue. Once fixed, retrain voice recognition and reboot. If problems persist, clear Assistant app cache or toggle voice access off and on. Those steps resolve most stubborn glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.